Hey beauty enthusiasts, welcome to my channel. Today I have two exciting products to review, the Oriflame Beautanicals Repairing Shampoo and the Oriflame Beautanicals Repairing Conditioner. This hair care range from Oriflame claims to nourish and repair your hair. What caught my attention is that these contain a unique blend of ingredients. Join me as I dive into the details of this shampoo and conditioner and see if it lives up to its claim. But before I jump into the review, let's talk a bit about the brand behind these products. Oriflame has been a trusted name in the beauty industry for years, and their commitment to using natural ingredients is commendable. In fact, their botanicals line contains a blend of 8 essential minerals and Swedish natural origin honeysuckle. Let's see how these ingredients contribute to this shampoo and conditioner's effectiveness. The Oriflame Beautanicals Repairing Shampoo comes in the 250 ml bottle and the conditioner comes in a 150 ml tube case. What sets this packaging apart is its commitment to sustainability. Now both the shampoo bottle and the conditioner tube case are made from recycled materials, emphasizing Oriflame's commitment to reducing waste, minimizing carbon footprint of the product, and promoting eco-friendly practices. As of now, the shampoo and the conditioner both are priced at ₹7.99, which is a bit on the pricier side. The striking graphical representation on the bottle and the tube showcase chemical symbols of 8 essential minerals found within the shampoo and the conditioner. If you are wondering what these names actually mean, then let me decode them. Na is the chemical symbol for sodium, Mg is magnesium, SiO2 is silicon dioxide, which is generally called silica, P is phosphorus, K is potassium, then we have calcium, copper, and at the end zinc. The background of the picture reveals a delicate and vibrant honeysuckle flower. These essential minerals and the honeysuckle extract are the hero ingredients as portrayed by the brand. But keep this in mind that these hero ingredients are placed at the end of complete ingredient list, making their concentration least in the formula. Now I am going to cover a few of the many ingredients that are written at the back of the bottle. If you are interested in learning about the remaining ingredients, then check out the description box of this video. The first ingredient is Aqua, which is simply water. Water acts as a solvent and dilute other ingredients, making the shampoo easier to apply and rinse out. The second and the third ingredient on the list are sodium Laureth sulfate and Cocamidopropyl Betaine. Now these are the surfactants responsible for creating leather and giving the shampoo its cleansing properties. Then there are a bunch of other ingredients. Then at number 8 we have glycerin. Now, glycerin helps retain moisture in the hair and also prevents your hair from becoming dry and brittle. Moving on, we have sodium benzoate and phenoxyethanol. Now, these are the preservatives that are used in the shampoo to maintain its shelf life. From number 22 onwards, we have ingredients like niacinamide, which is a form of vitamin B3. Now, niacinamide has gained popularity in the hair care products for its potential to support a healthy scalp. Moving on, we have calcium pantotheniate, which is a form of vitamin B5. Then sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is a form of vitamin C. Then the list concludes with Lonicera caprifolium flower extract. Now this is the Swedish origin natural honeysuckle extract. Then we have tocopherol, that is vitamin E. Now, vitamin E is known for its antioxidant properties. It helps to protect your hair from free radicals and thereby supporting a healthy scalp. The list also contains magnesium aspartate and zinc gluconate. Now, these are the minerals that contribute to the overall health of your hair. The thing that I don't understand is that why the hero ingredients, being the minerals and the honeysuckle extract, are listed towards the end of the list. Let me tell you that the ingredients in any product are typically listed in the descending order of their concentration within the formula. This means that the ingredients that are present in highest amounts are listed first, followed by the ones that are present in lower amounts. The last ingredient on the list is usually present in least concentration within the formula. This order gives consumer a general idea of the relative amounts of each ingredient present within the formulation. Now the downside that I see in this product is that the hero ingredients are listed towards the end of the list, making their concentration to be least in the formula. I don't know if the zero ingredients are just another marketing gimmick used by the brand, or maybe the key ingredients work better in lower concentrations, and this only the brand knows. Anyway, I was really sad to see them at the end of the list. Now I am briefly going to examine the ingredient list of the conditioner. The primary ingredient is Aqua, which is water, followed by Glycerin, that helps to retain moisture in the hair. Then we have cetyl alcohol and cetyl alcohol. These contribute to the creamy texture of the conditioner, allowing it to easily spread through the hair. Now these are the good alcohols that act as emollients, providing a smooth and soft feel to the hair strands. Now there are a bunch of other ingredients that I have explained in the description box of this video. Empower yourself by exploring the complete ingredient list provided below. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to selecting the right hair care products. To wrap up the ingredient analysis, I can say that Oriflame Botanicals shampoo and conditioner contains a blend of moisturizing agents, conditioning agents, preservatives, vitamins, minerals, and natural extracts. Before delving into the product performance, I would like to mention that I have thin, curly hair, dry and dandruff-prone scalp, and sensitivity to SLS in shampoo. We all have diverse hair care preferences. While some individuals, like those with oily scalps or straight hair, enjoy sulfate-based shampoos, others like me, who have curly, dry hair, prefer to avoid sulfates in a regular hair care routine. Curly hair requires special care due to its tendency to become dry and frizzy. That's why I opt for sulfate-free shampoos for my regular routine. Sulfates can sometimes strip away natural oils from curly hair, leading to dryness and frizz in the hair. But for occasional scalp cleansing, I find Oriflame Botanicals shampoo to be a suitable option. You can use it as per your hair care preference. On using the duo of shampoo and conditioner, I noticed that these have gentle and soothing fragrance. The smell is really very pleasant and refreshing, but again it might be a bit too strong for those sensitive to fragrances. Personally, I really loved the fragrance. It's invigorating and leaves my hair smelling fresh throughout the day. The shampoo lathers up nicely. Its deep cleansing properties helps in removing buildup, dirt, excess oil without compromising the overall health of my curls. The conditioner, on the other hand, provides a smooth and creamy texture, making it easy to distribute through hair, detangling any knots or snarls. It leaves hair feeling soft and smooth. I noticed that the conditioner adds natural shine to the hair, enhancing its appearance. It reduces frizz, making the hair appear more polished and manageable. As the conditioner is free from silicone, I use it on regular basis. Using a silicone-free conditioner on regular basis is a great choice. It allows your hair to receive the benefits of conditioning without the buildup that silicones can sometimes leave behind. This can help keep your hair looking and feeling healthy, lightweight, and more natural. To summarize the performance of this shampoo and conditioner, I must say that I am thoroughly impressed with their effectiveness. The shampoo that I use once every 2 weeks, along with the regular application of this conditioner, has consistently delivered remarkable results. While this vegan, silicone and paraben-free shampoo and conditioner have their positive aspects, it is important to consider a few potential drawbacks as well. Firstly, due to positioning of hero ingredients towards the end of the ingredient list, their concentration in the products might be relatively lower. This could potentially impact their effectiveness. Secondly, these products are priced slightly higher as compared to the mainstream hair care brands. Thirdly, Oriflame products can only be purchased through their official website or through their authorized dealers. This could be a problem for some people who want to try out these products. Lastly, while I appreciate the fragrance of these products, some people might prefer a different fragrance profile, or some people might prefer fragrance-free products. Remember to weigh in these factors as well when making a decision to buy these products. In conclusion, I can say that Oriflame Botanicals shampoo and conditioner provides a suitable option for individuals seeking a natural and eco-friendly hair care routine. With brand's commitment to sustainability, these products aim to provide nourishment and vitality to your hair. However, it is important to remember that each individual's hair is unique and results may vary. Experimenting with different products and finding the ones that suit your specific needs is the key to achieving healthy and beautiful hair you desire. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have tried these products or have any question related to these products, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all things beauty. Until next time, take care and keep shining.